controller, 'cause all we need is somebody to lead on. Girl.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rocksy, and I'm back with another wig review. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also, please make sure you're hitting that bell so you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So today, you guys, I'm going to be showing you this wig review on this lovely, gorgeous unit that was sent to me from samsbeauty.com. I'll be leaving the link down in the information box below if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit. Just a couple things before we jump right into the review and I show you guys how I achieve this look and all of that, because I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking, but just some basic details. This hair, it did come in a 613 color, and I did use the watercoloring method to achieve this look right here. Once again, I'll be leaving the link down in the information box below if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how I colored the unit. I just let it sit on my mannequin head right here for like a day and let it air dry, and then today I went ahead and just straightened it, and I do show that as well. So yeah, if y'all are interested, definitely keep on watching. This hair is like the color of my nails. I was super nervous to even try something like this, but yeah, y'all let me know what you think, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. sleep. say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.